Okay, we're working on a Hobart 802. So it seems like the clutch is having an issue. So we're gonna be taking it apart and take care of the problem. So gotta remove all this in order to pull the clutch drum out. So all right. It's starting to loosen up. Looks like it's all on the line already. The belt is already all the way to the top. It's supposed to be centered to the edge of this. So some bearing is probably already worn out. Okay, so we got this. Alright, we managed to remove the first part along with the locking pin, so now it's time to remove the clutches. This is the one they're now making cheap parts now, made of carbon. They no longer last. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this all over again. This is the transmission for the M802 Hobart mixer. Okay, we have the springs here that have the washers inside, But before you actually put those on, you have to release these screws to where they're almost out, but not completely. Now, on this area here, you have the screw, okay, you have like a nut, okay, and you have the screw itself. So you're gonna use the nut to where you're gonna adjust it, but this is done only until the transmission's actually on the Hobart machine. Okay, so let's say you already done rebuilding it. You're gonna tighten all the way and as far as you can go, only manually, without tools. So let's say it stops right there and you're going and you can't go anymore. Then what you use the nut to lock it in place. And on that one you do use a tool to lock it. Okay, once you secure it, then you're good. Okay, that's important. Now on the other side, you have a metal disc. You always have one in the beginning. Then with the gear itself here, these are stuck together. This is some crazy modification somebody did, but the way it's done originally is you have a metal plate, you have a clutch, metal plate, another clutch, metal plate, and another clutch, in that order. Now on the end, so once you install it, if you notice, this is a clutch and it doesn't have a disc because the last part is going to serve as a metal disc. Now this one has 3 wings. Every wing goes towards the spring to hold the spring in place. Once you've done that, you put one of these and secure it with a pin. Now these get pretty tricky because you have to align them. So, but if you've done those other steps, it should be easy to align and be put on there easy. Because if you don't release this here, you're gonna have so much trouble putting this in because you won't be able to move it to where the pin can actually go through. Okay. Okay, one down. There it is. There's the second. Here's the third. Okay, and that's how that's done. That would rebuild your transmission. So basically you just put metal plates, clutches, and put these backs in this these parts in this order, and you're done. Now this goes right on top, and that's about it. You just put that in place. Okay.